All right, guys, we got the M5 all boosted up with the quick jacks all cleaned up as well. And Logan here's got $1,000 worth of PPF where we're going to go and open up and see about getting the front bumper here. We went ahead and lifted it up just so it's a lot easier, more ergonomic to get all of the PPF attached properly and smoothed down all the way. So we're going to go ahead and open up and see what kind of stuff we got in here. All right, guys, for the headlights, we're actually going to go with a Laminix PPF. It's a little bit different than your typical like SunTech or Expel or 3M PPF. This is a lot thicker material than the typical stuff I just mentioned, and it lays on and applies a little bit differently. So this is one full set here of headlights. We're going to go ahead and start with this. Make sure the headlights are good and set because this process is a little bit different than the SunTech Ultra that we would usually apply down for this. We went ahead and laid out the pre-cut M5 2019 PPF here. This top one is going to be our bumper. This is what we're going to be focusing on today. We may get to the second sheet here, which is the fenders and another part for the bumper. And then this will probably be last. This is the entire hood section. We'll see if we can get that today. If not, we'll go ahead and save that for the next episode. But then, like as we mentioned, I think earlier on in this series, we're going to go ahead and PPF the rest of the car as well, at least the majority of it. So doors, roof, things like that are all going to get the same treatment. And then obviously we're going to be putting a ceramic coat over that. So we're going to go ahead and start with the headlights. Let's show you guys the headlight material here. And once we're done with that, we're going to go and get started. Vertical. Let's try to put it in the middle. Oh, okay. So slippery. So center it, and then when you're happy. Oh, there's a very particular way it goes, which is that way. Okay. So take that and see, apply it to the outside. Yep. And then you probably need to hold one edge of it with your finger and then squeegee half. It's not sticking so good. By design. Yeah. Okay. Try and get that bubble out. Oh god. Wow. That's a paint deformation? Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, we put the hot glue there.
It's inside of this.
All right. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Good? It's on there?
And also, if you get frustrated, don't worry, I'll come fix it.
This is like a pre-cut kit.
Yeah, this is probably one of the best pre-cut kits I've fucked with.
Who makes it?
This I don't know who cut it, but this is a 3M.
3M. Yeah, that looks to align perfect.
It's very well. It's the best aligned compared to my Mustang and the RAV4 that I've just
Yeah.
pre-cut on.
Telling me to act like a psychopath lunatic. Some people don't believe that I can get ignorant.
I'm gonna cock my 9 and mother. I'm gonna cock my 9.
Now I'm hungry.